everyone, welcome back to the WP Theme Setup Guide. In this lesson, we're going to go over featured images. So, featured images are probably one of the coolest things that were introduced to WordPress. And basically, what a featured image is it's really a post thumbnail, or now what would be considered a featured image. It's an image that is chosen as the representative image for whether that be a blog post, a page, or a custom post type. So custom post type could even be a product in a shopping cart. Those, as we talked about before, those are posts as well. But a featured image is that image that is representative of whatever post you have created. So we're going to show you the featured image for a blog post today. You can set the featured image in the editor, in the actual post editor, in a box located under the publish button, and we'll walk you through that as well. So here's the codex page, codex.wordpress.org, post_thumbnails, and this goes into a little bit more like developer-y stuff here, but the basic concept of featured images is to give you that actual representative image for each post. So here's a few things we're going to need to do before we able to really view how the featured image is going to look in every area of our actual website. First, we need to go to our home page and realize that right now we do not have a blog. So what we'll do is we'll create a landing page or a blog page where all of our posts can show up. And all I'm going to do is create a page called BLOG, blog. Okay, I'll publish that page and go to settings, reading, and then underneath the reading settings, I've already got selected a static page. It's going to be the front page, and that's test page. But we just created a new page for all of our posts to land on for the blog. And I'll click blog. I'll click Save Changes. Now it's time to create a post that we can add a featured image to. I can go to New at the top bar here and create posts just like I did a page earlier. These are all the new things I can create. Or I can click on Post, hover over Post, and click Add New here. So I'm going to do that. And I'm going to just name this post Featured Image Post. I mean, this could be representative of any type of blog post that you have. Now, what I need is just some filler dummy text to add there. So I'm just going to go to Lorem Ipsum generator, and Lorem Ipsum is just going to give me this dummy text. I'll put it in there, just like I wrote a blog post here. And I go back to the tab with the featured image post and add my dummy text inside of there. So everything's good. Now I want to set my featured image. Remember, it's located here on the left sidebar, underneath the Publish button, underneath Categories, underneath Tags, down here at the bottom, Featured Image. It's always going to be on the left side. So now I'm going to click Set Featured Image, and I've already uploaded an image to our image library, and I'll use this image. And I'll say Set Featured Image. Now, before I actually set this, I'm going to click on it to edit it again. And you can see that there's metadata attached to this image. For any image that you upload, one of the best practices that you can do is add alt text. So I'll just add desktop is a description for screen readers to actually be able to notice what this image is about. And then I will set that featured image. And now I'm going to go ahead and publish my post. As with every post, I have the option to view the post. And if I click on this post to view it, it's going to open in the same window that very post. Now, featured image post is the title. Here's some actual metadata attached to the post. Posted on May 5th, which is the date, by Various, who is the author. And here is our featured image. And that's really what, we want to see, is that featured image. and then here's our dummy text. Now, what I want to do, let's just say I want to look for a blog, I want to look at the actual blog archive page here. These are breadcrumbs, and if I click on blog, it's going to take me to the blog archive page, and I see this blog post with the metadata here, the title and the featured image, and then here's the other regular Hello World blog post that comes by default on a WordPress blog. However, you see the featured images here on this post. Now, let's just say I wanted to open this blog post in a new tab. Here's a new tab. And I wanted to edit this post. If I were to go and edit this post and remove the featured image and then click update and then go back and view the post, there's no longer an image here. And if I go back to this other tab, where's our this is our blog index page, I can press refresh, and now there's no featured image here either. So I remove the featured image, and to add it back, it's just the same thing. Set featured image, boom, and the alt text is still there. Set featured image, update, and then view the post. It's all back. Featured images are important, and this is one way to actually operate and make your blog look better, and it's giving you one more step to setting up your WordPress website, your theme, your actual theme, the way you want it to. Thanks, and join us in the next video.